It's a project that starts with what falls from the sky and involves the roof of the carrier dome, but much of what's taking place in preparation is underground.
There's two tanks, each of them 10 foot in diameter, 50 feet long. So there's a hole in the ground over there that's 15 feet deep, 14 feet wide by 108 feet long. This is a huge piece of the project. Once these tanks go in, then we can connect the roof leader, the drains, to the tanks and start collecting rainwater.
Jack Ozinski is with Design and Construction.
It's plumbing. We are recycling water, so to speak. We're preventing 50,000 gallons of water at a time from going straight to the metropolitan sewage treatment plant, and instead holding it and using it to flush the toilets. So we're cutting in half the amount of water that would go to Metro in the event of a dome event and a rainstorm.
And collecting rainwater is what this project is all about. Rainwater that falls on the 7-acre dome roof that will be used to flush toilets inside the dome. The installation of giant tanks is considered a milestone.
I'm interested in this sort of project because it really signifies a change in the way humans deal with water.
David Chandler is Associate Professor of Civil and Environmental Engineering and says the project serves several goals, including an educational component.
This year, one of our example projects, or one of the projects we had for the students to work on, was the Carrier Dome roof water harvesting project. And the students really enjoyed it and made some very interesting new designs for how this might be done in the future. And it was really a good experience for everyone.
And that experience extends beyond the classroom, but the educational component doesn't end there.
For a long time, the university has been paying attention to sustainability in its operations and its education, and many of our buildings have had innovative projects like this.
As the university's coordinator of sustainability education, Rachel May is keenly aware of the benefits of this project, saving the rain, keeping it out of Onondaga Lake, making use of it, and reducing the need for tens of thousands of gallons of fresh water. But she says it goes beyond that.
Socially, and this is something that we don't often think about as much with sustainability, but SU is up here on a hill and our water flows downstream, and the neighborhoods downstream are also typically lower income neighborhoods as well. So we're being a good neighbor by keeping the water, keeping those pollution events and keeping that flooding to a minimum.
The idea of recycling rainwater is certainly not new, but this is a new take on an age-old idea, saving precious drinking water while making use of the runoff from the Carrier Dome roof. Keith Copeland, SU News.